Hello students, today we are going to start this chapter number 12, areas related to circle. In this chapter we are going to start this exercise 12.1. Before starting this exercise, I am going to tell you some basic formula related to circle. As you know, this is circle. I find the area of circle, simple formula is there. I find the area of circle, formula is pi r square. Okay. Now, circumference of the circle means length of the circle or perimeter of the circle. How we find the perimeter of circle or circumference of circle? 2 pi r. This is going to remain 2 pi r. Okay. Now, this figure is known as semicircle. How we find the area of semicircle? Formula is pi r square by 2. Okay. Now, perimeter of the semicircle. This is the half of the circle. So, half of circle, how we find pi r, and this diameter is included. So, this becomes pi r plus 2r. So, this is the perimeter of this semicircle. Okay. This length, half of the circle. Perimeter we find 2 pi r, so half of this is pi r, and this diameter we include, so this becomes 2r. Now, this figure is known as quadrant of the circle. Quadrant of the circle means fourth part of the circle. Now, see, this is the half of the circle. When I draw one more, so this is the fourth part of the circle. So, fourth part of the circle is known as quadrant. How you find the area of quadrant? Formula finding the area pi r square. This is the fourth part, so divide it by 4. So, pi r square by 4 is the area of quadrant. Okay. Now, this figure is known as ring. How you find the area of ring? Area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. Simple formula. Area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. This formula is known as area of ring. So, area of larger circle means 2 pi r square. Area of smaller circle means small pi r square. So, take pi common, so area of ring become pi r. Pi into r square minus r square. This formula is known as area of ring. Okay. Now, I want to start this exercise 12.1. I want to use this simple formula to solve this exercise. Okay. Try to learn this formula. When you are going to learn this formula, then this exercise become very simple for you. You have to substitute this formula and value of given. Okay. Now we are going to start this exercise 12.1. First question. See what is given. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Two circles are given. Radii of first circle is 19 cm and radii of second circle is 9 cm. Find the radius of the circle. In this question, we are going to find the radius of the circle. Okay, which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the given two circles. It means this circle having circumference equal to sum of the circumference of the given two circles. Suppose this circle is given. This is your first circle having radius 19 centimeter. Okay, and this is your second circle having radius 9 centimeter. This is given. Radius of first circle is 19 centimeter. Radius of second circle is 9 centimeter. Now, this new circle having its circumference equal to sum of the circumference of these two circles. Sum of the circumference of this circle is equal to this area of or circumference of new circle. Right here, new circle. Okay. Now, what is given? Circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle is equal to circumference of new circle. How you find the circumference? You know the formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r. What is r? 19. Again, finding the circumference of circle, formula is 2 pi r. Radius is 9. So, write here 2 pi into 9. In this question, suppose the radius of new circle be r. I want to suppose the radius of new circle be r. So, I write here, let the radius of new circle be r centimeter. I write here centimeter. Okay. Now, this become r centimeter. And how we find the circumference of new circle? Again, formula 2 pi r. So, write here 2 pi r. Now, what is common between these two? 2 pi r, 2 pi common. So, take 2 pi common. What is left? 19 plus 9 equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi is cancelled with 2 pi. Now, what is left? From right hand side r, from this become 19 plus 19. 28. The radius become 28 centimeter. It means radius of blue circle become 28 centimeter. This is very simple question. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2. See what is given in this question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Again, two circles are given. Now radius become 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to sum of the areas of two circles. It means we have to find the area of new circle which having its area equal to sum of the areas of given two circles. Okay. Suppose this is your first circle having radius 8 centimeter, and this is your second circle having radius 6 centimeter, and this is your new circle whose radius I am going to suppose R. In this question we are going to find the radius of new circle whose area is equal to sum of the areas of these two circles. Okay, sum of the area of first and second is equal to area of new circle. This is your new circle. I want to suppose let the radius of new circle be R. So I write here, let the radius of new circle be R centimeter. So I write here R centimeter. Okay. Now what is given in this question? Area of this circle plus area of this circle is equal to area of new circle. So I write here area of first circle plus area of second circle is equal to area of new circle. How you find the area of circle? Finding the area of circle formula is pi r square. Now what is r? 8. So this will become pi 8 square. How you find the area of circle? Pi r square. Now radius becomes 6. So this become pi 6 square. In this question, in this circle radius is r. The formula become pi r square because radius is r. I write here pi r square. Now what is common between this? Pi is common. Take out pi common. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. Is equal to pi into r square. Pi is cancelled with pi. 64 plus 36 is 100 equal to r square. Okay. Now I write here r square equal to 100 and 100 is square of 10. So I write here 10 square is cancelled square. So what is left? R equal to 10 centimeter. It means radius of new circle is equal to 10 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to solve this question number 3. In this question, this figure is given. We are going to find the area of 5 regions. First one is circle, second one is red ring, third one is blue ring, fourth one is black ring, and last one is red ring. White ring. Okay, we are going to find the area one by one. I am going to start my question from this circle. This is gold circle. Okay, the diameter of this gold circle is given. Right here, diameter of the gold circle is 21. You know, radius is equal to half of the diameter. It means when you are going to divide diameter by 2, it becomes radius. So I write here radius of the gold circle become diameter by 2. Means 10.5 is the radius of the gold circle. Okay. Now width of each this circle is 10.5. It is given. Width of each band. This band, this band, this band, every band having thickness of 10.5 centimeter. Okay. This is given in your question. So I want to start my question with this red circle. How we find the area of red circle? You know formula pi r square. Simple formula is this. So right here area of red circle formula pi r square. Radius is 21 by 2 given. So right here 22 by 7, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. 7 is 21. 2 into 1, 2 into 1. This becomes 11 into 3, 33. 33 into 21 becomes 693 upon 2. Now divide this. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, and this becomes your answer. So this is the area of red. This is the area of gold circle. Okay. After that, we are going to find the area of red ring. How we find the area of red ring? Formula is pi capital R square minus small r square. This formula I want to use to find the area of ring. Now, red ring means we are going to use this capital R and this one is the small r. Small r is 10.5 and capital R become 10.5 plus 10.5. I write here 10.5 and 10.5. So this become 21. 10.5 plus 10.5 become 21. This is the capital R and the small r is 10.5. So instead of capital R, I am to write 21, and instead of small r, I am to write 21 by 2 or 10.5. Now square of 21 is 441. Again square of 21 is 441 and square of 2 is 4. Now what is common between these two numbers? 441 is common. Take out common. When we take 441 common, what is left? 1, and from here 1 by 4. So write here 441, 1 minus 1 by 4. 7 6 are 42, 7 3 are 21. This is going to cancel. Now 1 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 1 will become 3 by 4. And this become 22 into 63. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. And you are going to multiply these two terms. 63 into 3, this become 189, and 11 is going to remain same. Now multiply these two terms, this become 2079 upon 2, and you are going to divide this by 2. So answer become 1039.5. This is the area of red ring. Okay. After that we are going to find the area of blue ring. Formula going to remain same. Ring is there. The formula is pi capital R square minus small r square. Now check its capital R. Now blue ring is up to this. So 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. Add 3 times. And you are going to add 3 times, so this become 31.5. So this become capital R. For blue ring, capital R become 31.5 and small r become 10.5 and 10.5 become 21. So write here 31.5 square and 21 square. Square of 31.5 is 992.25 and square of 21 is 441. Subtract 441 from this number. So number become 551.25. Now multiply these two numbers. This is the result of the multiplication of these two numbers, and divide this number by 7. So this is your answer. So this is the area of blue ring. After that we are going to find the area of black ring. Okay. How we find the area of black ring? Again formula is going to remain same. Pi capital R square minus small r square. Now what is capital R? Blue ring. So this is your black. Okay, this is your black. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. Right? 4 times. 10.5. So this become 21, 21, 42. So this is the capital R, and small r subtract 1 radius. So this become 31.5. So capital R become 42 and small r become 31.5. So square of 42 is 1764. Square of 31.5 is 992.65. Now subtract these two numbers. The answer becomes 771.75. Multiply these two numbers and divide it by 7. So this is your answer. 2425.5 centimeter square is the area of which one? Black ring. Now in the last we are going to find the area of white ring. Area of white ring. Formula going to remain same. Pi capital R square minus small r square. Now check its capital R. See 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 times. So 10.5 and 10.5. 42. So this become 52.5. Capital R become 52.5. Subtract 1 radius. So this become 42. 42 is the smallest r, and capital R become 52.5. So instead of capital R I write 52.5. Instead of small r I write 42. Square of 52.5 is this one, and square of 42 is this one. Now subtract these two numbers. We get 22 by 7 into 999.25. Now multiply these two terms by 22. So this becomes 21,829.5 upon 7. Now when you are going to divide this number by 7, so this is your answer. This is the answer of red white ring. Okay, in this way, simple formula is there. You are going to use this formula, pi capital R square and small r square. Very carefully you are going to check what is capital R and what is small r. In this way you are going to solve this question. Okay, I hope it is now clear. Now you are going to solve last question, question number 5 of this exercise 12.1. Now see what is given. Pick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of circle are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. In this question what is given? Perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle is equal to area of circle. This is given in the question. Perimeter and area of circle are equal. Okay. How you find the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. Perimeter means circumference. How you find the area of circle? Formula is pi r square. Now this pi is cancelled with r. So pi is cancelled with pi, and this r is cancelled with square. So what is left? R equal to 2. It means radius is equal to 2 units. So which one is the right answer? So A1 is the right answer. Simple question is there. Okay.